Sparky Sparks here. So this morning I'd like to show you how to tighten or loosen your wig. Now I made the mistake early on as an early wig wearer to tighten my wig too tight. So in the back there are these fasteners, and this one in particular has Velcro tabs, and you can make them tighter or looser. It really doesn't need to be super tight to stay on. The wig grip helps it stay on. Also, it just, gravity kind of helps it stay on. So not to worry about it. I know there's some spoofs going around with people blowing and the hair flies off. I've never had that, but I'm gonna try that. Anyway, so that's the back to tighten and loosen. And if you tighten it too tight, you're gonna get a headache. I promise you, and I've done it so many times. I still do it. I think unconsciously I try to over tighten my wig. Anyway, so this is how you loosen and tighten the wig. And then we're gonna put it on, because once you finally figure out where you like to wear it, that's pretty easy. Now on the side are some ear tabs, and you often see me do this because they have wires in them, and you can kind of shape them to your temples. And that way you know that it's even across. Kind of like when somebody cuts your hair and they measure back and forth. Same kind of concept. So you just kind of put them next to each other. These don't have combs inside, you don't need them. And then what I like to do is, I always put a fresh part in when I put on my wig, because I don't know how I've moved it around in the bag or how it's traveled. This is how I comb it out. And I like to tuck one side, and this one has a little spotlight again in biscuit, and I love this blonde. It's very blonde. I like the contrast, especially in winter time, with a black top and then this platinum kind of number here. But you can see the hairline looks really, really, really natural. And with this part, the way the parting is set up, you can part it pretty much anywhere. Another good look. I tend to wear it just like this. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.